Alright, 93 F-150. You want to pause your video for the procedure. I'm going to be flushing this. So they say use your T93T-50 ALA and the jumper wire. So this is the jumper. That, I believe, is going to be for a four-wheel anti-lock brake on a Bronco, and the 93 F-150 only had rear anti-lock brakes. And the adapter wire there jumper wire would plug into this part. So this is the test or Tevis anti-lock brake harness. So this test module. So you've got your bleed position on your switch, you got your start, your abort, your valves on and off, and there's your two lights. So what we're supposed to do, put it in the bleed position. We're going to turn the ignition on. At this point the red indicator should turn on. Then we're going to push the motor button on the adapter down. That starts the pump motor. The red off indicator turns off and the green on indicator turns on. The pump motor will run for 60 seconds once the button is pushed. You don't need to hold the button down. If the pump motor is to be turned off for any reasons, push the abort button and the pump motor will turn off. After 20 seconds have passed, push and hold the valve button for 20 seconds. This bleeds any trapped air from the master cylinder and hydraulic control unit. The pump continues to run for an additional 20 seconds after the valve button is released. The brake lines can be bled in the conventional manner. Bleed brake lines in the following order. So, sorry if the camera was out. The right side's the passenger side. So generally they say passenger rear, passenger front, driver front. But in this, they're saying passenger rear, then driver front, then driver rear, then passenger front. I have no idea why, but it says it in the stuff I got from the dealer here, as well as the Bisco book I got online. So we're going to go turn the ignition on. Not cranking the truck. So the ignition switch is on. This is a freaking ancient thing. This off indicator should turn on, which it is not doing. The pump motor will run for 60 seconds once the motor button is pushed. So and it is not working.